Hi, Sherwood Park. I want to talk to you about growing an antenna. I woke up this morning and I had a 3-foot hair growing out of my left ear. The advantage to that was my cell phone reception was tremendous. My Wi-Fi, I haven't tested it yet, but I'm sure it's going to come around. But let's not talk about that. Let's talk about 303 Foxtail. So we're
Foxtail or Foxtail?
Foxtail. Fox, you know the one I'm talking about. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac. I got over 2,000 feet, 5 bedrooms. Count them, 5. 3 up, 1 down. Laundry is there. It's at the end of the cul-de-sac. Yes, cul-de-sac. So it is the ultimate family spot. Is this appropriate product placement? We're sitting in the backyard. It's on a pie-shaped lot. It's huge. This is a covered deck we talked about. It's everything around it between landscaping, the setting. Awesome. We've got the finished basement. There's even the option to keep the hot tub. It would be unbelievable on an old man bones like myself. If you want to come check it out, give us a call. Scott McMillan team. Love to take you on a private tour.